Published Wednesday, January 10, 2018. Market Research Future published a research report on global automotive HVAC market. Research Report Forecast 2022, Market Analysis, Scope, Stake, Progress, Trends and Forecast to 2022. Global Automotive HVAC Market, by Material, PET, PP, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, and others, by Application, Food, and others. Forecast 2016 to 2022 Market Highlights. Automotive HVAC is a system combining three major functions such as heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Factors such as increasing demand for thermal insulations for energy-efficient applications, and growth in the automotive sector are driving the market of automotive HVAC. Recent trend shows that companies, such as Audi, Mercedes, and BMW, focus on customized and consumer-friendly HVAC systems and supports automatic air conditioning, fogging sensor, and automatic climate control system. Moreover, due to least level of human intervention, the automatic HVAC system are being installed in large extent, especially in premium and luxury segment passenger vehicles. Additionally, reducing environmental effect and lowering the weight of HVAC system. Government initiatives acts as a driving factor for the growth of automotive HVAC market. Awareness about the environment in countries such as China and India lead to the growth of automotive HVAC market. Get sample of report at https://www.marketresearchfuture.com/sample_request/2113 Regional analysis of global automotive HVAC marketer. Asia Pacific region dominating the market of automotive HVAC. Presence of automobile manufacturers and growing demand for automobiles in developing countries such as China and India. Increasing adoption of premium automobile brands in developing nations such as India and Brazil provides growth opportunities for industry players. Whereas, Japan referred as one of the largest automobile manufacturing companies in the world such as Toyota and Honda. Increasing production capacities, investment in hybrid technology drive the HVAC automotive market. Moreover, favorable government policies pushing the market towards growth. Moreover, demand for effective thermal systems in electric and hybrid powertrains. Vehicles require low-temperature cooling equipment along with normal equipment for regulated battery cooling. Whereas, increasing vehicle production and stringent government regulations to encourage the energy efficiency are driving the market in North America. Target audience: manufacturers, raw materials suppliers, aftermarket suppliers, research institute. Potential investors inquiry before buying at https://www.marketresearchfuture.com/inquiry/2113 Brief Talk 1. Executive Summary 2. Research Methodology 3. Market Dynamics 4. Global Market, by Packaging Type 5. Global Market, by Technology 6. Global Market, by Application 7. Global Market, by End User 8. Regional Market Analysis 9. Competitive Analysis 10. Conclusion 11. List of tables 12. List of figures. Ask for your specific company profile and country-level customization on reports. We recognize the key players in the global automotive HVAC market as Denso Corp., Valeo SA, Bear GmbH, Halle Climate Control Corp., Delphi Automotive, Visteon Corp., Sandon Corp., Air International Thermal Systems, Calsonic Kansei, and Delstar Technologies. Access full report at https://www.marketresearchfuture.com/reports/automotive-HVAC-market-2113